So let's use these rules in an application. So what we want to do is find the equation of the line that's normal to the graph of y equals 3 sine x plus 4. Um, so first of all, let's be clear on what we mean by normal. Normal is just another word for perpendicular. So if I have, let's say, some arbitrary function like this, and I want to know, and let's suppose that I want to know what the tangent line is at x equals 1, the tangent line is going to be this line. And the tangent line is, of course, going to have a slope that's just equal to f prime of 1. The normal line is going to be the line that's perpendicular to the tangent line. So that's going to be this line, and its slope is going to be, it's going to have a slope of negative 1 over m, or in other words, negative 1 over f prime of 1. So it's going to be, that's how you find the slope of the normal line. You find the slope of the tangent line and find its negative reciprocal. You take negative 1 and put it over the slope of the tangent line. So, all right, so with all that said, let's get to this. What we can see is that if y equals 3 sine x plus 4, then y prime is equal to 3 cosine x, and since we have a constant, we don't have to add anything, so it's just y prime equals 3 cosine x. So at an x value of pi over 6, y prime is equal to 3 cosine of pi over 6. That's equal to 3 times root 3 over 2, or written a little bit more cleanly, 3 root 3 over 2. All right, so the slope of the normal line, is therefore going to be the negative reciprocal of that, or negative 2 over 3 root 3. So all we need to do is know what the point is. Well, we're given a function y is a function of x. We know that the x value is pi over 6. We're just going to plug that in to get the y value. So the point is going to be the x value is pi over 6. The y value is 3 times the sine of pi over 6. Sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. You should know that. You should know the unit circle. So that's going to be 3 halves plus 4, which is like 8 halves. So that equals 11 halves. It's a little confusing because here we've got pi and here we've got 11. It looks like a pi without a horizontal line on top, but that's the point. So now we have a point and a slope, so we can easily write the answer in point-slope form. And by the way, the equation of the equation of a line is in fact an equation. It's not just one side of an equation. So in point-slope form, that gives us y minus 11 over 2 is equal to the slope of the normal line, which is negative 2 over 3 root 3, and then x minus the x part of that coordinate, x pi over 6, and that is an equation of the normal line.